Hello guys, welcome to Planet Professor. In this episode, we will talk about Volkswagen IPO. Volkswagen will not consider a stock market listing of its battery unit until its factories are up and running and its unified battery cell is in use. The division boss told Reuters that essentially ruling out a possible IPO before 2026, a move which would give it greater control of its supply chain and help it catch up with Tesla. Volkswagen splits off its battery unit in mid-2022, investing $20 billion with partners, which would build plants reaching to 40 gigawatt hours of capacity by 2030. And the good news is company aiming for 20 billion euros in sales by the end of decade has so far announced 3 battery cell factories in Salzgitter, Valencia and Ontario, which will be open in 2025, 2026 and 2027 respectively.